My favorite part about this training has been...
My favorite part of yoga teacher training has been...
My favorite part of training has been...
Every single day we push ourselves in a way that I didn't even imagine possible.
The community and the environment.
Just seeing everybody grow together.
The education here is really professional.
I think it has been absolutely mind-blowing.
Empowering, introspective.
The lessons that we have had here at Yoga Academy International have been immensely thorough, loving and caring. And
you can tell that they really put a lot of thought and a lot of heart into their work.
There's such a nice atmosphere, everyone's smiling and laughing.
I feel safe.
Brought us all to heaven.
We're having such a good time. We're all like-minded individuals that love nature, love being active, love being healthy, loving good food, and
there is no judgment, it's just acceptance.
It has just been so blissful.
I've been stoked every day.
A foundation where we trust and really love each other.
They want their students to have the best education possible.
I've learned so much in the month that I've been here.
You could just really feel the love that every one of us held for each other.
The teachers were always willing to help us with anything and make special time out of their day to interact with us further.
It's such a diverse course.
They bring in different teachers from different yoga styles. Not a lot of yoga schools provide this kind of education.
We learned a lot about the history of yoga. We learned Sanskrit names for any pose that we did.
I would definitely recommend this experience.
I would highly recommend this experience.
I would recommend this experience to anyone who is looking to dive a little bit deeper into themselves.
I'm just really excited to take every lesson that I've learned here, whether it was actually in a class or just in my own meditation, and go out into the world.
Get in touch with yourself.
I would recommend it to everyone, whether you're wanting to teach afterwards, whether you're wanting to do it for yourself, whether you want to get stronger, more flexible.
I wasn't really looking to become a yoga teacher, and I feel super excited to share my toolbox with the rest of the world when I get back home.
Whatever the reason, this course is great for everyone.
It's just so good.